This is the key-free touchscreen deadbolt from Yale Real Living. According to Yale, these deadbolt and lever locks are designed to integrate seamlessly with digital control systems or provide convenient standalone access control. Your instructions are right on top. We have a lot of paperwork here, including tech service info, deadbolt and programming, assembly instructions, and a one-page quick start guide. We have the back deadbolt panel with the key-free touchscreen and smooth turning deadbolt knob. The exterior facing plate and cable. There's a set of keys to keep as backup and the deadbolt and strike plate assembly, 4 AA batteries and assembly screws. This little piece here is the Z-Wave wireless communication device that powers your signaling and controls. You don't want to lose that. And that's it. This has been the key-free touchscreen deadbolt from Yale Real Living.